Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change the batteries in a key fob for Toyota Corolla. That's a Toyota Corolla hybrid model I have, and I just want to change the battery on it. To replace the batteries, just we need a few things. It's one a flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 batteries. It's a coin battery, you can see that's here. And first of all, we need to take out the key from the key fob, and see, we can use this key to open this fob. You can see that it has a flat head, and we can put this here, where we can just we're gonna turn it clockwise or anti-clockwise. As soon we're gonna turn it, the key fob gonna open, and that's here. And see, we just need to take this flathead screwdriver and just need to put it here and apply a wee bit pressure on it. The battery gonna come out, and we can keep it here, and that's a new battery. We're gonna insert the new battery in. First we have to put it here and then press it down, and that's battery has been inserted. Just take the cover and just close it like this. When you're gonna listen a click sound, that means it's being closed properly, and that's fine. And as a battery has been replaced on it, you can see this LED is working now. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share it. Thank you very much.